Hello friends, today we will solve Uttarakhand Assistant Professor Botany Paper 2 2017. Okay, let's begin. The term heterosism. The term heterosism means. So the term heterosism here, it means completion of life cycle on two hosts by a pathogen. Okay, completion of life cycle on two hosts. When the life cycle is completed on two hosts, then it is heterosism. Next is in Krebs cycle, coenzyme for succinate dehydrogenase enzyme is. So for succinate dehydrogenase, the enzyme is FAD. Next is fruit rot of guava is caused by. Fruit rot of guava, it is caused by Pestalotia side. Okay, when you see side, it is for guava. Solani is for Solanaceae family. Aspergillus is a fungus. Okay, Colatotrichum is generally related to jute. Next is clamp connections are present in Basidiomycetes. Next is gram staining is gram staining is a differential staining where gram positive bacteria will get the stain, gram negative bacteria will not get the stain. Next is according to the classification of enzyme, carboxylase enzyme belong to the class of which enzyme? So carboxylase belongs to lyase enzyme. Okay, breaking double bond. Next is which of the following viruses is largest in size? Largest is, we all know, TMV, having icosahedral symmetry. Okay. Next is the process of making germ free milk by heating 62.8 degree centigrade temperature for 30 minutes. It is called pasteurization. Next is red rust of tea. Very common question, examiner's favorite question. It is cephaluros. Next is who was the first scientist to prove that oxygen is evolved in photosynthesis during light reaction? So oxygen is evolved whenever it is splitting of water, it is Hill reaction, and the scientist is Robert Hill. Next is Cantracia stage is found in the life cycle of which alga? It is found in Batrachospermum, red alga. Transia stage. Next is the most complex reproductive bodies are found in. It is found in Corales. Okay, most complex reproductive bodies. Okay, oogonia. The structures you must read about the reproduction in Kara. Next is hormogonia are present in which of the following? Hormogonia are present in nostoc. Next is which of the following alga is a source of iodine? Iodine source is laminaria. Next is retort cells are found in which of the following? Retort cells are found in sphagnum. Retort cells are found in sphagnum. Next is chlorophyll D is found in which one of the following? Chlorophyll D is found in Rhodophyceae, red alga. Next is which one of the following algae can be used in space mission? It is used, chlorella is used as a food. Next is septate rhizoids are found in Polytrichum. Next is which bryophyte among the following is most economically important? Most economically important is sphagnum. Next is agar agar is obtained from? It is obtained from Gelidium. Favorite question of the examiner. Question number 21. Most of the families of primitive angiosperm belongs to the order. So most belong to the order Magnoliales. Next is the term taxonomy was coined by D. Candolle. Next is of which genus Cyathium inflorescence is the characteristic? So Cyathium is a characteristic of Euphorbia. Next is Caryopsis is not found in the genus. Caryopsis is generally found in monocots. So here Pisum is dicot, it's not found in Pisum. Next is in Caryophyllaceae the placentation is. In Caryophyllaceae the placentation is free central. Next is the botanical name of larkspur is. The botanical name of larkspur is Delphinium. Next is verticillaster inflorescence. Okay, verticillaster inflorescence. So we have read about caryophyllaceae, placentation is precentral, and verticillaster inflorescence is in ficus. Next is the families of flowering plants was written by Hutchinson. Next is Beta vulgaris is an important source of sugar and it belongs to the family Chenopodiaceae. Next is Asafoetida is obtained from roots. Next is the living element in xylem is none of them are living here. Xylem parenchyma is living, which is not given in the option, so none of these. Next is an example of monocot showing abnormal secondary growth. So abnormal secondary growth is seen in Dracena. Next is lever mechanism of pollination is found in salvia. Next is cystolith is made up of calcium carbonate. Next is which of the following has prop roots? What is your answer? It is banyan. We have already read when it is about the greatest or the biggest largest botanical garden in the world, it is in Q, and it is when it is in India, it is Indian Botanical Garden, Kolkata, West Bengal. Next is which of the following families form Pollinia? So another important question and the favorite question of the examiner. It is Pollinia is present in Asclepiadaceae. Next is which of the following is immediately surrounded by subsidiary cells? It is guard cells. Next is which one is a source of nutrition during microsporogenesis? It is tapetum. Next is in which of the following tetrasporic 8 nucleate embryo sac is present? So 8 nucleate is present in tetrasporic 8 nucleate. When it is bisporic, it is allium. When it is tetrasporic, it is plumbago. Next is moisture absorbing velamen is found in the roots of orchids. Velamen is found in the orchids, very important. Next is leptosporangiate condition is found in. It is found in Salvinia, Marsilia, Teres, and all of these. Okay, leptosporangiate is found in Marsilia, Teres, Salvinia, all of these. Next is endosperm and gymnosperm is. So in gymnosperm it is haploid, okay, but in angiosperm it is triploid. Next is prokaryotic cells are not found in. So prokaryotic cells are not found in cycas, but it is found in nostoc, bacteria, anabena. They are prokaryotic, but cycas is eukaryotic. Next is diploxylic condition is found in. Diploxylic condition is very important, found in cycas. Next is in India, Neetum is found in. In India, Neetum is found in Assam and Sikkim. Okay. Next is Cycadiodia was the dominant flora of the era. So it is the dominant flora of the Mesozoic era. Okay, cycads were dominant in the Mesozoic era. Next is stalked ovules were present in. Stalked ovules were present in Bennetialis. Next is transfusion tissue is found in leaflets of cycas. Okay, transfusion tissues are found in leaflets of cycas. So what we read about cycas, that Cycadodia was the dominant flora in the Mesozoic era. Diploxylic condition was found in cycas, and transfusion tissue are found in leaflets of cycas. Next is antherozoids large enough to be seen by naked eye. So these are produced by Cycas revoluta. Okay, large antherozoids are found in Cycas revoluta. Next is a leaf bearing sporangia is called sporophyll. A sporophyll is where sporangia are present. Next is fossil in which internal structures are best preserved. Okay, when internal structures are best preserved, it is known as petrification. Next is the Rhinian flora is best seen in. The Rhinian flora is best seen in where? The Rhinian flora is best seen in the Devonian period. Next is in xylotum spore producing organ are called. Spore producing organ is called synangia. Okay. Next is carinal canals are found in the stems of. Carinal is found in the stem of equisetum. Next is heterospory is not found in. So heterospory is found in Selaginella, it is found in Marsilia, it is found in Azolla, but it is not found in Lycopodium. Okay, it is not found in Lycopodium. Next is Selaginella is known for. Selaginella is known for trabeculated endodermis. Okay, equisetum is known for carinal canals, transfusion tissue present in cycas, in leaflets of cycas, but Selaginella is known for trabeculated endodermis. Next is protocorm is found in. Protocorm is found in Lycopodium. So what is not found in Lycopodium? Heterospory is not found in Lycopodium and protocorm is present in Lycopodium. Next is development of gamete from sporophyte without the formation of spores. So when a is there before the term, it is, that means this is absent. Okay, so without the formation of spores not formed, apospory. Next is jute is obtained from. Jute is obtained from Corchorus. Next is botanical name of the plant that yields para rubber. It is Hevia brasiliensis. Next is the center of origin of rice is supposed to be, it is India and Indochina. Next is coir is extracted from, it is extracted from mesocarp. Next is which of the following is an essential oil? Khus oil is an essential oil. Next is from which part of the plant saffron is obtained? It is obtained from stigma and style tops. Next is Kufri Jyoti is an improved variety of potato. Next is in eukaryotes, electron transport and oxidative phosphorylation takes place in. So electron transport and oxidative phosphorylation takes place in inner membrane of mitochondria. Next is the lac operon, it is induced by allolactose. Next is a polypeptide is assembled on nuclear membrane, is assembled on ribosomes. Next is which of the following is a common name for ascorbic acid? It is vitamin C. Next is which does not have nucleic acid? Lysosome do not have nucleic acid. Kranz anatomy is found in C4 plants. Next is which hormonal condition is responsible for falling of leaves? So decrease in auxin concentration, okay, is responsible for falling of leaves, because when auxin decreases, cytokinin increases. Okay, cytokinin increases. So auxin when decreases, there is falling of leaves. Root pressure is caused by active transportation, active absorption. The first carboxylation product of the C3 cycle, it is 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Next is legume root nodules contain leg hemoglobin. Its function is to regulate oxygen concentration. Next is the concept of ecosystem was put forward by Tansley. Next is synchronization of the phenological behavior of the species and different factors of the environment. When it is synchronization, then it is biological clock, where the external factors and the internal behavior is synchronized. Next is the food chain starting from dead organic matter, it is detritus. Next is Kaziranga National Park, it is famous for one-horned rhinoceros. Next is the Earth Summit held at Rio de Janeiro in 1992 resulted in It resulted in convention of biodiversity. Next is, which category of pyramid can never be inverted? It is the pyramid of energy. Next is, red data book gives information regarding. So it gives information regarding threatened, vulnerable, endangered, so all of the above. Okay. In the pyramid of number, herbivory occupy. Okay, herbivory occupy the second position. Next is, which one of the following is the first national park of India? Okay, first national park of India is Corbett National Park. Next is, which one of the best method of separation of plasmid DNA and bacterial chromosomal DNA? So how to separate them? It is by ETBR, ethidium bromide cesium chloride density gradient centrifugation. Okay. Next is, restriction endonuclease was discovered by Arbor, Smith and Nathans. Next is, which of the following is a non-PCR based marker? So RFLP is a non-PCR based marker. It is hybridization based marker and it is a codominant marker. Next is, I am not going to the numerical part. Next is, which of the following was responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy? It is methyl isocyanide. Next is, which sequence is a palindrome? Palindrome means it starts and end. If you read it from the first and from the last, it is same. Okay. So AGG. So you can see A. If you make complementary of it, then it should start from T, G and C, G and then again C. This is the correct answer. Next, which of the following has triploid set of chromosome in angiosperm? So triploid set is already discussed, endosperm. In angiosperm it is triploid, in gymnosperm it is haploid. Next is the example of composite fruit. The example of composite fruit is jackfruit. Which of the following produces a synzoospore? Synzoospore is produced by Vaucaria. Next is, how many nitrogen fixing genes have been reported in Klebsiella? It is 17 genes. Next is, which of the following objective lens in a microscope is known as oil immersion lens? So oil immersion lens is 100x. Who gave the term fluid mosaic model of cell membrane? It is Singer and Nicholson. A very important and common question. Next is, in which one of the following condition the rate of transpiration will be maximum? So rate of transpiration will be maximum when the soil is wet and the atmosphere is dry. Okay, soil is wet means the water potential is high there, and atmosphere is dry means towards the top part the water potential is less. Next is, which of the following type of genetic change can produce an oncogene? So oncogene can be produced by chromosomal translocation, by missense mutation, by gene amplification is a little doubtful one, but it may happen. So all of these is correct. Next is, according to some findings, the reasons for continuous decrease in the population of vultures could be due to the consumption of which of the following? So it is due to the consumption of diclofenac. Next is the last question, which during the formation of RNA, at which site RNA polymerase bounds to the DNA molecule? So RNA polymerase, any enzyme binds to the promoter region. Okay, so that's it for Uttarakhand Botany paper 2 2017. Will come with another paper in the next video. Please like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. It gives a lot of motivation for us to keep connected and keep making the videos. So thank you so much. All the best for your exam.